Introducing guided inspection, bringing clarity, structure, and confidence to every flight. Easily add text and image-based instructions to your mission plan. Pilots follow step-by-step tasks, reducing errors and ensuring nothing is missed. If an image is skipped, the system instantly alerts the pilot, minimizing risk and securing critical data. With guided inspection, every mission is more consistent, more efficient, and more reliable. Automatically generated image names speed up post-processing and organization, while high-resolution zoom give you the power to inspect every detail with precision. Plan smarter, fly better with Drone Harmony.